Sawa ka na ba sa madaling masira at hindi magandang quality ng earphone? Gusto mo ba ng earphones na swak sa budget mo pero high quality at super ganda ng sounds? Ito na besh, the new JBL Phantom, original at authentic. This is your chance to level up your listening experience. Alam mo ba kung bakit maganda to? May 4th generation awesomeness, smart finger touch, summon voice assistant, at open lid pairing. Talagang sulit. Plus, pwede mong i-change ang name. Oo, besh, pwedeng palitan ng name ng earphone mo para mas personal at mas ikaw talaga. With its Bluetooth 5.3 technology, HD calling, at intelligent noise reduction, mag-i-enjoy ka talaga sa malinaw at walang lag na tawagan kahit nasa gitna ka pa ng ingay. At 5 to 6 hours non-stop music, super long battery life, at IPX5 waterproof, no problem sa ulan, pawis o kahit sa anumang weather. Nagustuhan mo ba? I-check out na! Nasa basket or comment section ng link. Let's go!